I'm sorry, guys. I swiped up. I'm so sorry. So, in this video, it's about last night though. That when I was playing GTA, right? So you guys are all my Shazamos, but you guys are actually my Shazam fam the kid, my Shazam fam cousin. Wow. So, both way, good morning over Friday. Anyways,
but he didn't realize. And when you look at the receipt, he said,
so should be honest. So in this video, guys, this is a brand new car, right? So hold on, Chicago, hold on. So about my brother is calling me, but I'm just gonna wait. I'm just gonna let him wait a little bit because I'm doing my video right now. So when I was playing, so I bought this car called the Luna ZZ-8 car. It looks awesome. Oh yeah. But it was first I checked it on the website. It's them. Oh, I too.
Cookies, I get some small stuff.
First I went to the call me. It was like
$35 for 4 or 5 items.
$1,900,000. But I just bought that on the Luna ZZ-8 car. But it was incredible.
I used to spend on soda.
And I put that in my
$25 or $40 I used to spend.
arena.
$60 to $80.
And
And then when I asked,
I already customized it.
and when you look at it,
Make it
5%
really
for
cool.
sales tax.
In my next shot, I'm almost for this video, I'm just showing you it, alright? So,
How much does it cost you to go to the grocery store? Just say you're going for 5 items. Is that fair? $80? If you're going for 20 or 30 items, $100, that's reasonable, okay?
yeah, because
$200. If you're gonna go for more than that, if you're gonna do whatever.
just before, couple minutes ago, I went on
Just spend $200.
my Venom
20 items.
and
I'm going to
I'm
BJ's,
sorry.
spend $150. You got the BJ's card, membership card.
things
They get
up
percentage
here.
off. There's a point system.
And one of them is GTA. And I went on the GTA, searched the name, boom, got it. Because because when I upload this video, I didn't know how to spell it, so
Same last name.
I
And then I
had
go,
to.
and then the cashier goes, you were here yesterday. I said, Mom, I recognized you. I go, okay, never mind. You go, same cashier. I said,
Like a
good.
brand
She
new
goes,
car.
yep. I'm like, okay, good.
I
She's like, no problem.
bought last
No,
night on
sometimes I
GTA.
can't use yours. I can't go into BJ's.
But it was-
Use your
it was-
BJ's card to buy
So
stuff.
yes, it was on the side out, but
Down in New Jersey,
at the
that's how
call
they
me
all-
section, it was 9,200,000. So,
Get ready for your weekend. Denver, we're coming to see you next week. We'll be at Red Rocks on Tuesday
that's
and Wednesday. If you've
why
got tickets to the
I
show,
bought
let us know you're there.
a
Follow us
podcast
on Instagram at
over
K
there.
Love Morning Show.
And it's in my arena.
It's so sad.
It's already done customized. So it doesn't.
Plastic bottles.
So that's the video, guys, because I just want to tell you that
drinking a little bit of the oil.
I did last
hot,
night.
it heats up. Plastic expands from the heat.
So
But it's in something cold.
I'm gonna call back my brother in the North Carolina. So thanks so much for watching, guys. Make sure you put the comments in the comment section below on this video. Guys, wait, please don't get shy. You need to get that call.
Man, life sucks.
Alright?
They're going live. Be like me.
In my arena.
They're going live.
You know,
Can have
guys, please don't get shy.
anymore. And it's live.
So
I wish I could have a beer.
make sure you give me the big thumbs up
Yeah.
on this video. But make sure you click that subscribe button,
Why
click
not? I
it,
gotta drink
turn
something.
it to gray,
Soda
but
buy
it's
it.
actually the same gray as
Come to
a
Mexico.
D. Because if you do that, you are wishing me my biggest goals, okay, and my biggest achievements of all times, guys. Alright, guys? Because if you do that, because that is the most important thing to do. Alright? So make sure you do that. But make sure you turn on the notifications. Please don't miss out all the brand new, awesome, and amazing content by me. When you click that notifications,
Plastic bottles made out of?
to silver gray as
Why you think they're cheap?
the on the both sides. Because if you do that, you are going to stay tuned for some brand new videos for you guys to enjoy and also able to watch. Alright, guys?
Put it right back on the beach.
So
Onto cement. Plastic bottles.
I got to go for now because I'm
Bones, you can't smell it. It's not good.
go back
Oil.
much finer.
Oh,
So
shit. Bingo.
that's all.
Someone's like,
Alright, because he called me
yeah. That's
2
why
minutes
there
ago,
was a guy
so
who invented
I need to call him back. So
What do you mean?
that's good for watching, guys. I keep you all up on Shazam vlogs, and I'm gonna see you guys in the next video.
Take
Peace
it like
out.
craps and turn it into plastic. It's cheaper, much healthier.